Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the garden. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, so I get all the glory of the day starting. It's a full moon and I wanted to take you out here and just be quiet for a little while so that you can hear all the different birds waking up. And look at this. 10 tons, approximately 10 tons of delicious compost that I can now distribute in the garden. So I know what to do today. I'm not gonna handle all of it, but a bit every day, and that pile will be gone in no time. Anyway. I know on days like this what a privilege it is to live in a place where you have only natural sounds if you just keep quiet. So, thanks for watching. See you later.